just had breakfast. We're gonna go swimming in a river. The kids are gonna take me, and everyone's getting ready.
My host Rigzen has 2 daughters, so I spent the day with them and their cousins who are twins.
So Mipang, Raftan, Mipang, Garpo. What's your name? Tani. Pami. I'm Alice. Nice to meet you.
The stream was very cold and made ice.
Ice?
Yeah.
Now? No, in winter.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm worried about how cold it's gonna be. Julie! We are setting off for the river. Oh, Nikki is coming too. Everyone's gonna swim! What kind of animals do you see here? Do you see snow leopards? No. Oh. What about, what do they call it? Yak? Yak? Oh, wow. How do you say cow in Ladakhi?
Balang.
Balang. How do you say beautiful?
Balang de motuk.
Balang nomotuk.
Oh, Pami! Pami!
Oh, she's coming.
Ha! Yeah.
We are debating whether to go swimming or to the monastery. Who wants to go swimming first? Who wants to go to monastery? Swimming? Swimming. Everyone wants to go swimming. I can go to the monastery by myself. It's okay. You don't have to go to the monastery. What's your favourite subject at school? English. Ah, that's why you're so good. What about you? What's your favourite subject? Science. What kind of science? Like chemistry, biology, physics? No. All of it. What's your favourite? English. Oh, cool. Do you like music in English? What music do you like?
Trending songs.
Oh, which trending song?
Noisy.
I probably don't know. I'm old.
I swear there is nothing that will make you feel older than hanging out with a bunch of 10 to 13 year olds.
What's your channel's name?
Wonders in Alice Land. Because my name's Alice, so like Alice in Wonderland. We could make this go viral. We'll be famous. Yeah.
They have one channel, YouTube channel. That name is Tibetan.
What?
Nikki!
What?
Yeah!
Drama. Calf.
You're funny!
Oh, he's interested in the dog, not in me.
We decided to go to the local shop to get an ice cream. There is only one shop in Likir, and it's run by Rigzen's sister, who is also the twins' mum.
Oh. I don't know this. Malva kulfi. What is it?
And this is chocolate.
Chocolate. This one's good.
Yeah. This is the traditional ice cream.
Traditional ice cream. Okay. What does everybody want? I get everyone an ice cream. What does everybody want? It's like a milk ice cream. I used to have these when I was a kid. How do you say delicious? Jimpo. I knew that. Your mum told me that one, but I forgot. Jimpo. I don't think this is what the Buddha meant.
After finishing our ice creams, we headed down the valley to the river. The kids were quite concerned that I wouldn't be able to make it because it was too steep. I'm not sure how old they thought I was, but it was very sweet of them nonetheless.
It's so green! It's amazing!
But there are too much spines.
Spines, ah. Do you get snakes here?
No.
No, oh that's good. I don't like snakes, I'm scared of snakes. Oh, so many. Oh, elephants. Have you ever seen an elephant?
Yes.
Really? Where?
In Chandigarh.
Oh, in Chandigarh.
Yeah.
They're so beautiful. What's your favorite animal?
My dog and cat.
Ah, rabbits. I love dogs too, yeah. Camel. Oh, I want to see the two-humped camel.
It's in Nubra.
Nubra. Okay,
Hunda.
I have to go to Nubra.
In Nubra, the location is Hunda.
Hunda. Okay.
Yeah,
Nikki's loving it. How do we do this? Oh, he's showing the way. Okay. Okay. Oh. It's good you're showing me where it is, otherwise I would have never been able to find it. We made it to the river! It's so beautiful! Oh my God! I'm gonna try and swim, it's very cold!
I like to think of myself as being pretty tough when it comes to cold water, but this was something else. The water comes directly from the glacier, so it's just ice water. It's so cold, and I'm sure it's very good for you, but the best part is when you get out and you don't have to be cold anymore.
It's freezing cold, it's like from the glacier. It's freezing cold. It's cold, it's cold. So beautiful, but so freezing cold. Everyone's teeth are chattering. Nikki's taking me somewhere, I'm not sure where. Where are we going? I don't think even she knows. They're such lovely kids. They really remind me of when I was a kid and went with all my friends to like the river and just messed about all day. It's really nice to know that kids are still doing that in some places. We finished swimming and I think we're going to go to the monastery now. A bit hungry. All we had for lunch was some noodles in a bag that we all shared.
And so we headed back up the mountain to the monastery. Unfortunately, my GoPro seemed to corrupt a few files at this point, and so I don't have any exterior shots of the outside of the monastery. It's really beautiful, as all the monasteries in Ladakh are. I've included some photos so you can see it at least.
We have stopped for more snacks. A boost before we get to the monastery. Nikki! No dogs in the temple. Oh. After going around the monastery, we headed back home. As you can see, the weather really started to change at this point and became really blustery. The weather changes very quickly in the mountains, as I would discover in the coming days. Rigzen's dad is a fantastic cook, and every meal he made something different and delicious, and I got to try lots of different Ladakhi and Indian cuisine that I'd never had before. What do you call this?
Chutagi.
Chutagi. Ocho, it looks delicious. This dish, chutagi, was like a kind of Ladakhi ravioli. It was absolutely delicious. I wish I had some now. Inside! Oh. I'm hiding behind the toilet. After having some food, I played hide and seek with the kids, which got very dramatic. I was not prepared for the level of competition that I faced. It's worth saying at this point that someone else was staying at the guest house. He said that he was fine with being filmed, but then afterwards he sent me a message saying that he wasn't comfortable being on YouTube. So to respect his anonymity, I've not included his face. You might see the back of his head sometimes, but that's all I'm going to show. And yeah, it's proven a bit of a tricky thing to edit these videos because he is in a lot of them. So if there's weird editing, that's the reason. Okay, I'm hiding behind the wall. I don't think they found me yet. He's good.
You eat chandang? Traditional fruit.
Fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, apricot.
Yeah.
Oh, I like apricot. But it's not ready. Oh, gelée. But they're very hard. Are you eating one? Oh! Oh, no. Oh, it's sour. You like this? Oh, no, I can't eat that. That's too sour. Do you think they want to play too? We can ask them if they want to play. We played a bit more hide and seek, and then we went inside and made momos all together. It was such a lovely experience and so nice to learn how to make this local dish from locals. What's in this? Carrot?
Yeah, carrot, cabbage,
Cabbage. Paneer. Ooh, onion. Ooh. All good stuff.
You have tasted momo?
Yes, yeah. But I'm sure these are gonna be the best.
Ladies.
Oh no, oh dear. I put too much. I put too much.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
no.
okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Now, inside corner. You can fold side. Starting from corner. Starting. This. And this.
These are pretty and this one's ugly.
This much
Pinch.
Yeah. Your camera.
Oh, that's okay. You're the film. You're the director. Look at all the momos. It's like a skyscraper of momos. Oh, you steam them.
Yeah.
How long to cook them?
Almost 10-20 minutes.
10-20 minutes. Okay.
Maximum half hours.
Half an hour. With the remaining dough, we made this Ladakhi pasta. Sorry, what's it called again?
Yeah. Chutagi.
Chutagi.
Yes.
And chut is water,
Water.
and
Tai
tayi
is chapati.
chapati.
Yes.
Chutagi. Needless to say, the momos were delicious, even if mine were a little bit on the wonky side. The best thing was Rigzen's chutney, which was like this spicy tomato chutney that we dipped in, which was fantastic. So yeah, that was my first day with Ladakhi family. Tune in for my next video where I go on a trip with the man who shall not be named to a monastery in the mountains, and I go on the back of a motorbike. It's all very dramatic and exciting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you'd like to, and see you next time. Bye.